Welcome to Citation Builder. In this video, I am going to show you how to use variables while creating the post. From Action menu, click on the Create New Post button. Select the GMB listing. Enter the required detail. Here you can see that system supporting multiple variables. What exactly these variables or shortcodes will do, that it will auto-populate the respective details from the database and enter or append to the post body. So like name will automatically add the business name to the post body. Address will automatically add the address to respective post, and same for website and map URL. So for this particular video, I added these 4 variables, and we expect that these 4 variables get printed on our post. So click on the continue button. Add CTA and click on the continue button. Review it and post it. Post got created. Now we will verify the same on GMB listing. So this is the recent post. Click on view. And here you can see that it created or it added the variable value like the business name, the address, and the map URL. So in this way, you can use the variables while creating the post. These variables are especially useful while creating the GMB post for multi-location business. So they can add the respective location details to each post while using the same contents. Thank you.